Okay, in this video I'm going to look at doing the bottom part of the main area, which is these, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs it looks like, and this picture right here. So again, to save a little bit of time on the video, I pre-wrote this information in my editor already, and I commented out. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll just uncomment that area, and I'll explain real quick what I've done. Okay, so if you come up here, the only thing that I did for this image is I gave the class of right, because that image is going to have to float to the right, and then of course everything else is just the regular image. So I can go ahead and save that. I'll come over to my web page and I'm going to refresh it, and when I put my screenshot up over top of it, you can see that my text is matching up really nice. Okay, so everything's matching up really nice when we come down, except for this picture. This picture's off. Now, the reason the picture is off is because if you remember from the last video, we came down here and we put main image, and we gave that all the images a margin of 0, 10 pixels to the right, 10 pixels to the bottom, and then 0 to the left. Well, the problem is this has to be the exact opposite, because what it's done is it has double, basically, it has a padding that we already applied there plus the margin. The margin should be on the left side, not on the right side. And as far as the bottom, it should be okay. So here's what we can possibly do, and see how this works out for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write another class called left image, and I'm going to do one for right image. Now, I could also just add the margins to my classes of left and right, but if I ever wanted to use those again for something else, I don't want those margins put in there. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to basically take this away right here. Okay, so I can get rid of that. And I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to put them in right there. Okay, so when I do this now, you can see this is all messed up. Okay, this looks like it's working out okay, but my padding's all messed up, so I got to do something here too. So I'm going to put in a margin, and so this should be 0 for the top as well. Okay, 0 for the right, 10 pixels for the bottom, and 10 pixels for the left. We're going to try that, and we're going to see what happens. See if we can't fix some of this wrapping issue that I got going on, and see if we can't completely fix that right there, which we should be able to. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this altogether. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save my CSS, and again I got this as left margin and right margin. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to add the class of right. What did I call it? Right image. Okay, said margin image is an image, and this one's going to say left image. And let's see if that doesn't fix our problem. Okay, so I'm going to refresh my screen and go ahead and put this back. And now we're going to first scroll up here. It looks like all this is working. Okay, and then of course we can, just to make sure, yep, we got our image over there. So it looks like all this is lined up and working fine, and we come down here and this is all lined up and working fine. So pretty much we just solved that problem with the pictures pretty easily by just adding an extra class to adjust for this one and a class to adjust for this one. So we now only have to work on doing this little footer part down here, which we will do in the next video.